case you didn't know by the intro, today we'll be unboxing and giving first looks of the new Monster Go Magnetic. It's not really that new. I know this is aimed towards education of learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube, but I heard there's been some quite good reviews, so I was quite excited to get it. So why don't we first look at the box design. I think the box design looks very nice. Has this kind of nice color palette of blue orange. I like how it's like a little friendly. It looks quite nice to the eye. So why don't we get into unboxing this. So let's get into this puzzle. So here's the cube. I'm guessing there's more stuff. Oh no, so it's just a pamphlet. So let's see. This pamphlet is definitely different to the normal GAN pamphlet. It's usually a CFOP pamphlet. You might have saw in my GAN in-depth review I showed a CFOP pamphlet. It's way different to this. This one seems a little more descriptive, and look, there's like some monsters. It's probably because it's called Monster Go. So here I think we've got the Monster Go non-magnetic cube, the rainbow cube, the cloud cube, there's pink and blue, the UT, which is the first layer, I think normal 2x2, yeah, traditional, and we got the belt. So yeah, I think that's it. So I think this is Chinese. We don't need to read Chinese. Okay, I got the cube. I straight away noticed that it has frosted plastic. YouTubers have problems with this because they think it's a lot more slippery. I don't really have any problems with this, but I feel like after 100 sols the frostiness disappears. I feel like it's more slippery, but I guess we're gonna have to deal with it because it's gonna come with more GAN puzzles. So now into some first turns. Straight away it's like medium magnets. I kind of feel like it's stronger than my GAN 356M. Yeah, it's a little uncontrollable. I'm guessing this will be just like in a Soul. So yeah, that's it. So now on to corner cutting. Little force applied there. So yeah, it can't go past around 45 degrees. Now reverse. Oh, also around 45 degrees. So now into the internals. It comes with a yellow GES, unlike in other GAN puzzles. I'm pretty sure it comes with a blue GES. They didn't decide to go for the black internals. They decided to go for that half design, but the corners have the black design. It also does have the honeycomb design, if you can see. I don't know, it just looks a little weird. Same thing with the H piece, but it doesn't have those black internals. Same with that one. I also noticed that it has the clear core as usual, and that the case is white. So now on to a Soul. Oh no, setting the wrong slot. So yeah, it's a little slippery. I feel like it's a little too uncontrollable. Maybe because I've been practicing with the Moyu RS3M for quite some time. I feel like they might have added a little too much stock glue. So I'll give this cube an 8.5 out of 10. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.